Greetings, noble sir. How was your rehearsal?
It sucked.
Daniel?
I forgot all my lines.
Well, we'll go over them after dinner. Maybe I can be the princess.
Okay.
How about you, Tori? How was your first day back?
She kicked the home run in kickball.
Yeah, Daddy,
She nearly fainted after recess, James. Playing kickball. The school nurse called and I had to take her out early.
Maybe the transfusions aren't enough. If we get the marrow transplant and it works, she might feel better.
I don't want to do it again, Daddy.
We both know her chances are slim at this point. There's no reason to upset her.
I'm sorry. I just don't like to hear about bad things happening to us.
So what happened with Daniel's marrow? Didn't you say he was a match?
It was a match, but when they did the transplant, it didn't take.
Well, shouldn't you try again?
Well, the doctor said that they could search through the database for another possible donor, but it was so painful for Tori, the first one, and the chances are slim that there would even be someone who matched. And even if there were, it might not take permanently. So
what if there's someone else out there, though? You can't just stop trying.
Everybody does whatever they want with Tori. What about what she wants?
You're right, Danny. Tori's spirit's much too big for that little hospital room. Oh, I've had enough of that kind of talk. I bet you have too, sweetie. Danny, there's apple pie in the kitchen. Why don't you go cut yourself a slice?
Okay.
And, cut a slice for your sister, too. Oh, it's okay. I won't tell.
Your moms always think there's something wrong with you.
They always worry about things like this. It's what moms do. You know, you and I are very much alike. Because when you're sick like you are, or old like I am, well, you just don't have time to be afraid of dying. What most people don't realize is that being afraid of dying makes you afraid of living. Oh, Lord, I hate that thing. My father made that 60 years ago, and it scares the pants off of me every hour on the hour.
Well, why don't you get rid of it?
Oh, I couldn't do that. He made it for your great-grandmother. She loved birds. She loved to see them flying in and out. Do you know what your name means, Tori?
Victoria means victory. I'm not sure it's the right name for a girl who's going to die.
Oh, sweetie, the real victory lies in bravery. You deserve that name more than any Victoria out there. I bet you didn't know that Tori has a special meaning too.
What does it mean?
It means little bird.
Mrs. Hartman dropped this one off this afternoon. Isn't that nice?
I hate this meatloaf.
Honey, you haven't even tasted it.
I hate everyone else's meatloaf, Mom. Why can't we make your meatloaf?